You like D&D, Audrey Hepburn, Fangoria, Harry Houdini, and croquet. You can't swim, you can't dance, and you don't know karate. Face it, you're never gonna make it.
I don't want to make it. I just wanna.
What's up guys, welcome back to ASHTOBERFEST. Today's tutorial is going to be on Gerard Way, the king of emo. Is he the king of emo? Yeah. I'm super excited about this video. I know it's a little bit shorter and it's very simple, okay? It's very quick and to the point, but I'm so excited to include this because when I first started planning for Halloween, like in June, I had this on my list. I actually had this on my list last year, but I couldn't make it happen. And I'm kind of happy that it didn't because I actually have the exact eyeshadow that Gerard used back in the day. It's called Gash from Urban Decay. They discontinued it for a while and they brought it back as like an online only like vintage kind of like vault thing, I think last year. And I don't know why I never even like thought to buy it. So I already told this story when like I'm doing my makeup, but basically when I went to the Urban Decay headquarters months ago, I told them about this video and they found me like one left in the entire like office. It must have been in some dusty old cabinet somewhere because they searched and found me one. And I'm forever grateful for that. So thank you to Urban Decay for making this video even possible. It's the exact eyeshadow that Gerard used to use back in the day. He's done tons of interviews talking about it, and I'm excited. This wasn't, like, I went into this look wanting to do like a feminine version of Gerard, and I was gonna glam it up and do like some lashes and stuff, but I decided it looked cooler to just keep it original. And when I put this wig on, like this wig is a very girly wig with every other look, but for this one it's just, I look like Gerard. I also kind of look like I work at the Olive Garden with this tie. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I also linked all the ASHTOBERFEST playlists down below from 2016 and 2017 if you're interested. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to go leave your comments on the photos if you're trying to enter the giveaways. I'm choosing this week's winners. There's going to be 4 of you guys, so I'm choosing tonight. So you have a couple hours to enter on today's photo and through the rest of the week, obviously. So don't forget to do that, and let's go ahead and get into this Gerard Way tutorial. Okay, so I've already done my brows and primed my eyelids using a concealer and some powder. Also, my lower lash line is stained from the look I did before this one, so it's going to be red anyways. So for eyeshadow today, I'm actually using the exact same eyeshadow that Gerard used to use. It is called Gash by Urban Decay. You guys don't even know what I went through to get this, okay? I went to Urban Decay, the headquarters, to have a meeting, and while I was there, I was like, you guys, I'm planning my Halloween series already. This was months ago. And I was like, I'm doing Gerard Way. I have to do Gerard Way. And he used to use your vintage eyeshadow that they brought it back once, but now I don't, do they still have it? They didn't have it anymore. It was sold out, but they had like discontinued it years ago and then they brought it back. Anyways, they were out of it, and so when I was there, I was like, please tell me that somewhere locked away in a deep dark corner of this headquarters that you have at least one of these eyeshadows. And everyone who I was with was like, I don't know, like I don't think we have that one here. And then Steve from Urban Decay went out of his way and searched the entire office and found one for me. And that is this one right here. And I will hold this dear and near to my heart for the rest of my life. I will never let this out of my sight. So this is the color Gash. It's kind of like a maroony red. That's what he used to use, so that's what I'm going to use today. He's done a lot of interviews where he says what makeup he used, and he used Gash, he used MAC White for his face, and then he used Ben Nye powder. So I'm just taking this on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be putting this pretty much all over my eye. So I'm going to be bringing this into the inner corner and smoking it up and out. It's pretty much going to be all over the place. This will probably be the quickest ASHTOBERFEST video because this is pretty much it. I just wanted to include this because I did a Gerard Way video, like not actually him, but I did a tutorial where I said bright red makeup, aka Gerard Way makeup tutorial. I'm sure it'll pop up in like the recommended next to this one a couple years ago. And I got a lot of hate on that video because people were like, you don't look like Gerard. So this video is for them. Just gonna clean up here a little bit. I'm gonna smoke it out again anyways, but for now. So for foundation, Gerard wore MAC white and he would put it all over his face, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use my concealer that's really light. And this one is Jouer, the new concealer in the shade Snow. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. And I got that all over my shirt. Now Gerard never contoured because I don't think that was even a thing back then, but I'm going to, so this is just a cool tone contour. I want this look to be a little bit more feminine because whenever I see it done, it's always like the exact way that he did it. And I just wanted to kind of put my own spin on things here, so I'm gonna glam it up a little bit. And I have glitter and lash glue all over my face from my last look. Alright, for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in the shade Gash as well. It looks like this. And I'm just going to line my waterline. Taking my Urban Decay Angled Lip Brush, I'm just going to go underneath that and kind of smoke it out a little bit. I don't have any product on this brush, I'm just using what kind of went underneath my lower lash line after applying it. Then I'm going to take more Gash and slowly add it on. I just decided I'm going to take some of this Gash pencil and put it on my lid because it's a little bit more bright red. And then I'll just blend it with my blending brush. He really took this in here too. But I'm going to bring this down into my eye bag a little bit. I've actually watched a video of Gerard doing his makeup and he would put it on and then he would like rub it with his fingers. My worst nightmare. He'd like put eyeliner on and then like go like this really hard with his fingers so that it would smudge. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to make it look like I did that. Alright, so that is literally it. Pretty much. I'm going to add some extra little things just because. Now he didn't wear mascara, but I'm going to just to add a little something to the look. Make it a little bit more feminine. I'm just using my Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. Alright, so I'm starting to look a little bit more like the girl from the Helena video, but I also look like I work at Cheesecake Factory, so... Anyways, I'm going to add a little bit of highlight. I'm going to use the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'm going to use the shade Luna here in the middle. And I'm just going to add this to my cheeks. This is like a very white highlight. I'm also going to add to my forehead and my nose. For lips, I'm actually just going to take my beauty blender and go over them. This does not look good, Gerard. What were you doing? What was going on here? I'm going to take a little bit of this Gash pencil because I can't. And then I'm just going to take some of my Tatcha lip mask and kind of make it like a gloss. So much better. Honestly, that's it for the makeup. This is a super simple Halloween look, like literally the easiest. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a black wig just to try and look as much like him as possible, and I'll be right back. I look like a goth that works at Olive Garden. Why does this wig kind of look like his hair? Just like, I used this wig in a different look and it looks so cute and girly, but now with this outfit, let me zoom you guys out. With this outfit and this hair, I was not expecting this transformation to be this real. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I don't know how this got so real that fast. I was planning on doing like a glam version of him, but then I was like, just stick to the photos and then this wig. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I know this one wasn't as in-depth or anything, but I really wanted to include this one this year. And I have a ton of cool ones coming this week, so stay tuned for those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying ASHTOBERFEST. I also linked the other playlist down below with ASHTOBERFEST 2016 and 2017, so you can check those out if you're interested. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget to comment on my Gerard Instagram photo to enter the Milk Makeup giveaway. I'm going to be choosing a winner tonight. One from today, one from Friday and Wednesday, and was there one before that? Yeah, there's 4 this week. So I'll be choosing 4 winners on all the photos, so now's your time. Go comment on all those photos. I will be choosing all the winners tonight on all of my Instagram posts from ASHTOBERFEST, so go leave your comments. I will link everything down below as always, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!